Hey guys, I'm so glad you're joining me today. I went on a trail hike today like I do every single day, and there's a lot of changes going on in the trails, and it's springtime, so there's a lot of new growth. There's new buds, there's different colored flowers, the ferns are coming out of the ground and growing, so it's super exciting. And I took lots and lots of photos, and I'm going to take it back to my studio and make something with it. So I'm hoping with my video to inspire you to both go on a walk in the woods and to also make some art inspired by nature. That was going to be fun. Those photos just make me smile. All those colors and all those shapes. So, are you ready to make some art? Let's go! The app I'm going to use to draw is called Adobe Draw. Adobe Draw allows me to upload my image underneath my drawing tablet and play with the opacity, and so that I can trace the images wherever I want them in whatever size I want them. And right now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting all of these favorite items that I found in the forest all in one space. Even though I'm just tracing the images that I see, I am still making very important decisions as far as composition, size, and how and where these things are going to go and how many of them I'm going to put in there. So lots of decisions are happening. Hey guys, I hope you had fun, and I hope my video has inspired you to go out and find something out there in nature to inspire your art. And I don't think I'm quite done on this leg of my artwork that has to do with nature. I think a lot of my artwork has to do with nature there, as you can see. Or here. Anyway, there's a lot of there's so much fascination for me when it comes to nature, and I think I could easily take these photos, these drawings, and continue in either printmaking or collage or painting. So I'm gonna continue to have fun, and I hope you do too. Please don't forget to subscribe and also like this video.